Hi everybody, Eugene here with Darkroom Software. In this quick video, I just want to say thank you. You see this video right now specifically because you are a subscriber to this channel. And that lets me know that you care about your business, and that's why you're here. You're here to learn more about our software, and I just want to say thank you. Thank you for being a customer. Thank you for being a subscriber. So, coming up really soon, we'll be giving away something. I can't actually say, but it'll start September 1st and it'll go through the month of September, and we'll be giving something away. But you, as a subscriber to this channel, get an extra entries. So your code is Thanks 2022. I'll have it on the screen so you can see exactly how it's spelled out. When the contest starts on September 1st, use that code to get your extra entries. But really, honestly, thank you for being you. Thank you for being a subscriber. Thank you for being a customer. And I will see you in the next video. Till next time.